Do you ask yourself, how can I run PBL on my machine without any speed and quality deficit? Our expert will answer these and other questions today. A warm welcome to all who have joined us for our very first webinar. This series is called Tech Talks by Paxis Global. My name is Jacqueline Sutter and I am the marketing and online specialist of Paxis Global. Before we start with our webinar, I want to give you a short overview of our stage section where we are right now. So on your right hand side you will find the chat area where you can enter your questions and thoughts, and our experts will answer them during the webinar. Also, you find over there an area called polls, where we'll have 2 polls during our webinar. Thank you very much for voting. Let's welcome our today's speakers. First of all, Julius Leubli, our head of R&D, and George Müller, our head of customer service. Both have more than 15 years of experience in the tube making business. Thank you very much for being part of our webinar. Circular economy isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's reality, especially in the packaging industry. With our Yes We Care campaign, we give the promise for proactive action. And as innovation leader, we have the opportunity to contribute our vision of the future and our engineering spirits towards sustainability. Talking about sustainability, Julius, can you explain me what PBL stands for and what's special about it?
Laminate tubes used for oral care and other applications traditionally use aluminium foil as a barrier. This is the so-called ABL, aluminium barrier laminate. Nowadays we hear a lot of monomaterials. ABL obviously is not a monomaterial as it contains aluminium and plastics. Therefore, development strive towards to replace the aluminium foil by plastics, often EVOH. This is then the so-called plastic barrier laminate.
This was very interesting, thank you. George, can you tell me, can I now just change from ABL to PBL laminate on my machine to run a more sustainable tube production?
Well, this is possible, but we do not recommend you to do it this way, because PBL structure behaves differently and you will run in some problems. For example, serious seam quality issues, much lower production speed, and significantly higher ovality of produced tube bodies. This makes a problem when the tubes are filled. Additionally, it results in much higher rejection rate and therefore higher production costs. All these points can result that the tube quality is either not accepted or requires the brand owners to make some quality compromise in accepting such tubes. We at Paxis Global have developed a solution to eliminate all these bottlenecks.
Julius, can you explain what solution you have developed?
In close cooperation with our customers, our R&D team has analyzed the root causes and came up with a development, what we call Fast PBL Kit. With this kit, our machines can easily be upgraded to run PBL at desired line speed and tube quality. When it comes to PBL, the effectiveness of the cooling system is very important. Also, other than ABL, where the heat is generated in the aluminium layer itself, on PBL, the heat must come from in and outside across the laminate. Therefore, it is essential to individually control the inner and outer heat.
I understand now the issues of PBL and what solution Paxis Global came up with. What does that mean for my machine, George?
Well, this means that with a short intervention, your existing Paxis Global machine can be upgraded with this package specially designed for running PBL. This means that the following 4 components need to be added or replaced. First, the machine must be equipped with a second high-frequency generator in order to control the heat of the inner and outer steel belt. Secondly, the seamer mandrel must be replaced by the so-called flat mandrel. The special flat shape and the new designed cooling results in less ovality. Third, the cooling section must be upgraded to our patented and so-called DuraSeam Air system. This results in increased cooling performance from the outside. And last but not least, the ovality control unit at the end of the mandrels removes possible remaining ovality. However, it's important to understand that only the combination of all these 4 elements makes the difference.
We heard a lot about retrofit and the improvements of the machine, but what about the speed? What speed can be reached, Julius?
We have made several tests on multiple machines with great results. It's hard to come up with exact figures because the different laminate behave differently, the different structures and the different suppliers. We are currently doing further tests with the clear target to run PBL at the same speed as we have been running ABL. For example, on the short line, we will come up soon with 100 meters a minute.
George, our portfolio offers a lot of different machines, and Julius mentioned that the upgrade is available for most of our machines. Can you tell me for which machine the kit is available?
Thank you for asking, Jacqueline. Sure, the special PBL upgrade package is available for all our continuous type side seamers except one model, which is the BLM. Regarding this PBL upgrade package, I would also like to mention the following. We are offering special type of steel belts in order to reach the better performance and the maximum output for running PBL. For example, our DuraSeam type belt, DuraSeam Power, is designed to bring more heat to the inner side of the seaming process. However, the laminate structure and laminate types determines the selection of the right belt for the maximum output. We also conduct material tests in-house on our machines to prove the performance. We are happy to assist you in selecting the right belt for you to get the best output.
Thank you very much for this detailed overview of the FOSS PBL kit. We are now almost at the end of our webinar. Julius and George, is there anything you would like to add?
Yes, we now talked a lot about laminate processing on our machines. With our compression molding system on our heading machines, we use low MFI grade resins. Such low MFI grade resins are used for the blown bottle making. This making our tubes especially compatible with the recycling streams. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us later in the chat. I'm happy to have participated in this webinar. I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope to see you later on in the session to answer your questions.
Also from my side, thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us to learn more about our PBL solution and to stay competitive in the PBL tube market by upgrading your existing Paxis Global side seamer. We are happy to assist you in finding the best solution and to understand your requirements and meet your needs. Today we have a special offer. If you place your inquiry today, you will get 5% discount on your fast PBL upgrade package. For that, you go to the expo area after this webinar and click on the bottom, or you click on the link right here in the chat. Thanks again and see you in the session later.
This was very interesting. Thank you very much for this deeper view into the FOSS PBL kit. In summary, we can say First of all, PBL is much more environmentally friendly as it is a monomaterial. Secondly, by replacing a small amount of key parts, you can run PBL on your machine without any problems of quality and speed. And third, the upgrade kit is available for all our recently produced machines. That's really cool. I think this retrofit is great, and I will definitely get in contact with Paxos Global to profit from that offer and also to profit from the 5% discount. This will keep my business interesting for my customers. Thank you very much that you have joined us today for our very first webinar. Meet our speakers in the sessions. You can find the sessions on the left-hand side. And we're looking forward to having interesting discussions with you. Have a wonderful day, stay healthy, and see you in the sessions.